Hi everyone, welcome to my channel TutorialsTrend. In this video I will show you how to implement JWT token authentication in .NET Core using Azure Entra ID. So step by step, just like in the real project, we will see here. So for daily .NET and Azure tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. So this will be a very interesting video here. So first of all, we will now open Azure portal. So here you will see this is the Azure portal. So I have taken a subscription for Azure services. So that means here in the search bar we just type Microsoft Entra ID. So Microsoft Entra ID mainly we used for JWT token authentication. So this is similar to the Active Directory. So previously in 2020, that means Microsoft used Active Directory, but now currently they have replaced name as Microsoft Entra ID. So now click on that. So here we will see some basic information. That means it will automatically, that means capture when you take a subscription of Azure. So now here you can see primary domain, that means application 3. So that means I have already created 3 applications and inside that. So but today we will create a new application. So here we click on that. So now you will see a option like plus sign new registration. So here we give the any name like JWT token demo F. So demo F. Now click on register. So it will create an application on the Azure portal inside the Entra ID service. So here now you can just skip, and now you will see that means on the left side you manage, there is one section that is manage. Inside that you need to like certificate and secret need to create. So that means this secret, this is the string, that means this is used to identify the requesting when a token. So we just need to create a new client secret. Here we give any name like default. So that means it will expire automatically when that means default is 6 months. So there are few options, but I select 90 days or 3 months. You can select anyone. So I have selected that, and after that I have add secrets. So here you will see that means after added secrets, so you copy that value. That means otherwise after some time it will disappear. So I have, that means copied it on a notepad. So you can also take the print screen of that. So after that, like next we move to the like expose and API settings. So here we will see there are application ID URL. So we need to add that. That means this is the actually globally unique URL. So used to identify this web API. So we just click on the save. So that means it looks like that. So it is it has been added. So after that, now add a scope. So scope, that means like if we use default here, admin and users. So here we can also use default, and we can also like just for that means it will show like that default. So here state is already enabled. So that means now add need to add scope. So that means you can now it's now successfully added scopes. So here this is the, that means edit scope. Now one thing also we need to update inside the manifest file. Manifest, there are some JSON, that means it is already created, that means we have updated some settings. So there is one option here like request access token version. So basically this is used here currently is null, so that means it is used 1.0 auth. So we need to update, like we are using currently auth 2. So here we updated with 2 and now click on save. So that means everything has been done now from Azure side. Now we need to overview once. So click on to see the overview. So there are some, some application client ID, directory tenant ID. So we can copy that and paste it on open notepad and save these IDs. So I have added that, and after that now I have now so after that we will go to the .NET Core application. So now we can select, we can create a new .NET Core application. So now in the app setting files we have added that section like Azure adds. So that means some like tenant ID, and also we need to update like client ID. Client ID is different because we are using some previous setting. So in this case client ID is like that, and we copy just for also audience, that means we can get in the from the token, so should be verified also. And after that we have done some settings in the, like here we can also update. So we have added some code for the JWT token, and after that like you can also, that means copy that code and my through tutorialstrend.com from my article. So also like here this is the already defined controller, by default controller. So just I have added authorize here. So now after that, that means everything is done in the .NET Core application. So after that, just like I run that application here. So that means we will check if it is showing any error or something. Otherwise, like I think it's working fine. Just yeah. So now it's working, that means like there is no any error. So it's showing like local host, and that means 7020, this is the that means the URL. So now after that we will move to the Swagger. We will move to the Swagger page. So now just we will move to the Swagger page now. Here we will see Swagger like here. So now open the Postman. So we hit the URL, that means like we have earlier mentioned we are creating V2 token. So here now client ID we need. So earlier we have paste that IDs on notepad. So like here, so that means so this is the this is the secret ID. So now copy paste from there to the window, postman window. We will here like secret, this is the secret key, and client ID we also copy from the notepad. So this is the client ID. So now paste it here. No, sorry, this is the client ID, and also we can like scope, that means scope we have already defined. So now we click on the send button. So that means now token is created. So this is the token. Now we can copy that token, and we now create like that means like weather forecast API. So here we go like uh, on authorization. So inside the header, this is the bearer token. So we can delete here bearer, and we can paste it. So if we click on that, so now that means we are getting response. Okay, so that means yeah. Now if we check, we have that means debugger on the .NET Core Web API. So if we check that, so now that means so it is uh, checking the API, and I press F5. So that means some we are getting data. So that means it's working fine here. But if I update or add something like a in the token, so and again I will hit that URL, so that is define 4014 authorization, that means it's successfully working. So thank you for watching. If you learned something valuable today, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. For more .NET Azure interview preparation content, visit our tutorialstrend.com. So thank you for watching.